This activity is called Bowling with the Champs. It's a champions and challengers style activity where we've got challengers set up down here on this side of the gym, and across from them they have the champions at the corresponding color. The challengers will pick up the bowling ball. They will roll it down towards the champion's pin. If they knock it down, they become the champion. If they miss, the champion gets a chance to roll it at the challenger's pin. They continue playing until someone knocks it over. First one to knock it over becomes the champion, or if they're already the champion, they remain the champion. When a pin gets knocked down, they must set it up, they must put it on the spot, and then they run around the playing area. When they get back to the starting line, which is right here, they will look down this row. If they see a ball on a ring, they know they can leave the line and come pick that up and challenge the champion. These bowling pins are called thin pins, and they are, I purchased these from Palos Sports, and you probably can get them at just about any retailer or vendor, but that's where those are from. And they're using about a 3-pound bowling ball here, just the rubber, heavy rubber bowling ball, and some poly spots. I like to keep the ball from rolling away. Didn't have an orange one, but I do have a couple extra bowling balls, so we're just using the rings to help identify the color, so we can see that this orange set kind of goes with that ball, even though it's that swirl in color. So we call this one Bowling with the Champs. Gets kids practicing rolling at a target and challenging a lot of different people. So you always want to set the game up where you have a couple of players in the starting line first. You need at least 2, 3, 4 players in the starting line, so that when someone loses, the next person can leave the line and come and play. If there's nobody in the line and you start with just enough champions and challengers, they're going to end up running around the gym, and they're going to end up going right back to the person that they just played. So always make sure you have a few people set up here and you're good to go.